In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use the Creati AI photo generator app. First, download it from the Play Store or App Store, then open it and skip through the intro screens. If it asks you to subscribe, you can simply exit to use the free version. On the home screen, tap Start from Photo. Then either take a selfie or upload an image from your gallery. After selecting a photo, you'll see lots of editing options, styles, outfits, hair salon, body shaping, background remover, and more. For example, you can try a LinkedIn style, tap Generate, and wait a few seconds while the AI creates your image. If you like the result, hit Save or retry for a new version. You can also experiment with hair colors and styles, such as purple, aquamarine, or vermilion, then generate again. Keep in mind free images include a watermark and you'll need a paid plan to remove it. At the bottom, you'll also find business tools, product video creation, and a history tab where all your saved edits appear. And that's it. Creati AI makes it simple to generate fun and professional AI photos in just a few taps. Do your own research.